Is that the webbing? Is it sticky?
Show me again.
Can you shoot it again? Try not to spin it. Make sure it's lined up. Okay, now it is. Man, can it be any harder for you to do?
Yes.
Yeah, probably.
Can
Ready?
you help me do it up
Yeah,
the
ready?
house?
Yeah, ready? You got mommy almost, didn't you? You want me to help you again?
Yes.
You want to do it with this off?
No.
You want to keep it on? Okay, ready? Here, let me spin it around here. And ready, gear. It's sticky, isn't it? Is that fun?
Yeah. Hold it.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Look, it got over it.
It did.
Oh.
It's just like a web. Look, see here. Hold it with your hand. Now you got a web all the way over there.
Can you help me?
Yes, what do you want me to do?
Like always.
You're going to fly it all the way? Okay.
Can you help me?
Okay, how do you want me to help you fly?
Took me a pie
Jump you up high
to the house.
to the house. You ready? You're going to fly.
You gotta put your mask on.
With the mask on?
Yes.
Okay.
So I don't.
Just like Spider-Man? Okay, ready?
I've been flying up to the building.
Ready?
Yes.
Roar, you're flying. Flat. Are you climbing on the wall now? Just like Spider-Man? You can't do it? It's kind of hard, isn't it? Okay, you ready to fly again?
No.
Uh-oh, you gonna fly through the tree?
Ah.
Okay, now what? Now where are you flying to?
Ah.
Where are you flying to now? Back to the wall?
He's trying.
Turn me down.
Okay. Oh my goodness.